Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is like the third attempt, so I wasn't going to put makeup on today, and it's literally a 5-minute video or something like that. So in today's video we're going to be talking about this Natasha Denona mini retro palette. It's part of the project pan that I'm doing with Fantastic Ladies over on Facebook. So the creator of this project is called Jacki Lootens. So it's a Natasha Denona mini retro. So we're going to talk about progress. To be honest, I've not used it that much. I think I've used it, well, I've used one of the shades 3 times, and I probably used the palette twice. So it's not been used that much this month, but we'll talk about it together. Anyway, so this is it. You can see the progress there on that one shade there. That definitely has the most progress. I'm going to be finished up with that shade probably in the next couple of months. I feel like I'll hit pan on this before December as well, and I'll probably hit pan on this before December as well. I've said this in multiple videos. I don't like this shade. It looks okay with that over the top to give it that added sparkle, but this one, it's not really a shimmer. I wouldn't say it's really that shimmery. It's more of a satin, I would say. That's probably why I don't like it. So yeah, there's definitely more of a dip there. There's nothing going on here, just because before I used this palette for this project, I had never used it really, I don't think. And then there's a little bit more of a dip going on in this shade as well. So that's really the update on this. See, it's only 2 minutes long, this video. But, so in conjunction with this one, sometimes I'll use the mini star. So I should have put this in a project rather than that one really, because this shade here, this blue brown one, it looks good when I finger swatch it. That looks absolutely beautiful, and when I swatch it on the back of the hand it looks good, but then it looks all patchy. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it in a live today. The two matte shades here I tend to use sometimes with these two mattes. Well, really just that matte, so that's why I've kept it in. If I don't like this shade, I'll just put this in a project maybe for next year and just concentrate on these 4 shades here. I do like this palette, but it's just a shame about this shade here. I definitely want to do a live with it and just see if I'm right, because once I used it once and it just looked all patchy. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. But yeah, this is the video, guys. If you want to do this kind of project, check out the Fantastic Ladies over on Facebook. You just need to join, and then you'll be able to see all the project pans that are going on this year. And you don't have to join right from the beginning, which is good. I mean, I didn't with this. I've been doing it a few months now. I don't know what update it is. It's either update number 5 or update number 6, not too sure. This concludes the end of the video. The reason why this is the third attempt is because I didn't like my makeup on any of the other 2 videos, and I just thought, no, I'm going to do this one today without actually having any makeup on. Thank you for joining me today, guys. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. We're like 15 subscribers away from hitting 1.5k, which I never thought I would get to in my wildest dreams. I would love to get there, and I would love your help for me to get there. This little community that we've built together means so much to me. So yeah, if you could subscribe, share and comment, I would massively appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.